If you're using AI to write your story, go touch some grass. I'm serious. Go outside, stand in the sun, and let your brain cook. Storytelling isn't the endless scrolling you do for your little dopamine-deprived goblin brain. It's ancient human magic. It's cavemen painting bison on the walls so their homies remember the hunt. It's elders passing down trauma like heirlooms. It's the reason grandma's bedtime stories slapped harder than any Marvel Phase 4 movie. You think a machine with predictive text can write your pain? You think a language model knows what it's like to cry in a Taco Bell parking lot at 2 a.m.? Nope. Don't let it take away your ability to think. You don't want that kind of brain rot. Overthink, spiral, pace your apartment like a feral cat. Do whatever you have to slap those keys and get them words on the page. But whatever you do, don't go full NPC and let your story download from the AI ether. You gotta bleed on the page, not prompt yourself out of existence. If you're a storyteller, be a storyteller. Let your brain get weird. Write badly, rewrite better, but don't outsource your goddamn soul.
At the end of the day, this is it. And this is what we work our asses off for. We use technology. We live in a virtual world most of the time. And the real world, this rock, these trees, this is the only thing that is real. This is the only thing that matters. It'll be here after us. It was here long before us. And if you're worried about AI, maybe it is time to touch some grass.